This is a 2012 Buick Verano. Today we're going to change the camshaft position sensor for the intake. As you can see, both solenoids have been replaced already, but the problem is actually due to a bad cam position sensor. The sensor is actually located underneath this high pressure fuel pump. You can see it right there. So to begin, I'm going to disconnect it. There should be an orange plastic tab that is part of the connector, and you have to slide that backwards. It's similar to what you see here, where you pop that up. You pop this up and then you're able to disconnect it. But it's already missing on this. So I'm just gonna grab that, disconnect it there, move the connector out of the way. It's held on with a single 10mm bolt. So I've got that on there. I'm gonna try to get it to where you can see what's going on. Once I've broken it loose, I can easily unscrew it with my fingers. And with the screw out, I can grab it and rotate it to break it loose. And as I'm spinning it, I'm applying downward pressure, and it will pop right out. A little bit of oil will come out. It's not a big deal. You want to make sure the O-ring came out with it as well. So I've got it popped into place. Now I'm going to rotate it until the hole for the sensor is lined up with the threads on the cylinder head. Then I'm going to thread in the bolt. Once I've got it as tight as I can get with my fingers, I'm going to come back with the wrench and snug it up. And now all that's left to do is maneuver the connector back. Okay, let's see. You got to push it hard to seat it. And now we should be good to go.